Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize iPhone home screen on iOS 18. So let's get started. To start customizing your home screen, tap and hold in any empty space, and then you will be able to move your icons by tapping and holding on them and dragging them anywhere you want. And the most important part is your icons are not attached to the icons on top anymore. You can basically now keep your icons anywhere in the home screen and they don't have to be attached to one another. As you can see, my Telegram is now in the middle side. I can also put it on the bottom side if I want, and also put it on the top side if I want. And I can keep them with others as I want. You can just now place them anywhere you want. The group moving remains same as before. You tap and hold on an icon, drag it, and then click on other icons, and now you will be holding three icons together. You can now place these three icons in any row at once. For demonstration, I'm going to put them in the middle row. So as you can see, three of them are now here in the middle row. You can add widgets on your home screen by clicking on the edit option on the top left corner and click on add a widget. So as you can see, there are many widgets here. I'm going to drag the calendar widget, and the widget has been in place. However, in iOS 18, now you can drag your widgets and resize them. As you can see, I can resize the widgets, make them up to 8 squares, or I can make them 16 squares if I want. And to remove the widget, just simply click on the minus icon on the upper left corner. So the widget is gone. And now my icons are just not how it was before, so I'm going to simply drag them all four together and place them in the bottom. You can access further customization of your icons by clicking on edit and clicking customize. As you can see, now we have light icons, we have dark icons. You can select automatic so that your icons will now be dark and light depending on your phone's theme. If your phone is in dark mode, then the icons will be dark. If your phone is in light mode, then the icons will be light, just like this. And also, Apple has added tinted option, so now you can have tinted icons. As you can see, you will be able to change colors, and then you'll be able to change the color intensity too. So fully white, or you can choose any other colors. Then you can go to that color by tint option. So tinting color is here. You can now dim the background by clicking on this icon on the top left. As you can see, the background is now lit up, and if you press it again, the background will be dimmed. And if you click on large over here, then the icons will be large and there will be no labels for the icons. So I like icon labels, so I'm just going to keep small icons with the labels. So as you can see, lots of customization options have been added, and you can access more options by tapping and holding the icon. As you can see, there are lots of other options here, and Apple has added another option that you can replace any icon with their widget. So as you can see, if I press this icon over here, then the application will turn into a widget. In the same way, if I tap and hold the widget and tap on this icon, it will be turned into an application icon again. So it's very simple to access. And if you have any private applications that you don't want people to access, you can lock those applications with Face ID. If you click on require Face ID, then the application will be locked. So I've locked this application. Now every time I open Telegram, it will require my Face ID. Otherwise, it will not open. So let me block my camera and click on Telegram. So as you can see, without Face ID, Telegram will not open. So you can also individually lock your applications now from home screen too. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.